Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into One Medical, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into One Medical, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the One Medical website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Once on the home page, locate the Login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Now, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Ensure the email address is correct to avoid any login issues. Next, move to the password field. Carefully enter your password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your information. If your login details are correct, you will be granted access to your One Medical account. You can now view and manage your healthcare information. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consider reaching out to One Medical support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.